So, good afternoon, everyone. So, this is the riddle of my report. So, the topic that I will discuss is all about uh, on how to find cumulative frequency lesser than and greater than, and also cumulative percentage frequency lesser than percent and greater than percent. And now, before we're going to find the cumulative frequency greater than and lesser than, we will going to solve first the frequency, and now we will going to I will going to show to you on how to find or how to compute the frequency. So 3 in the first row, and second we have 5 in the second row. So we will going to add 3 to 5 to get the answer of the total frequency. So all you need to do is you will going to add all the frequency to get the answer of to get the total answer. So 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. 12 plus 5 is equals to 17. 17 plus 6 is equals to 23. 23 plus 9 is equals to 32. 32 plus 6 is equals to 38. 38 plus 4 is equals to 42. 42 plus 3 is equals to 45. 45 plus 3 is equals to 38. And 38 plus 2 is equals to 50. So the answer of, so the total answer of a frequency is 50. So we will going to write 50 here. And now to find the cumulative frequency lesser than, we will going to write 50. So because 50 is the equivalent to 100%. So we will going to write 50 here in the first row of cumulative frequency lesser than. So we have 50. And now, to find the answer of the second row, we will going to minus the 50 to 3. So to get the answer of the second row, we will going to minus the 50 to number 3. So 50 minus 3 is equals to 47. 47 minus 5 is equals to 42. 42 minus 4 is equals to 38. 38 minus 5 is equals to 33. 33 minus 6 is equals to 27. 27 minus 9 is equals to 18. 18 minus 6 is equals to 12. 12 minus 4 is equals to 8. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So that is how to find cumulative frequency lesser than. We will going to minus the 50 to the frequency to get the answer, to get the all answer of the cumulative frequency lesser than. And now we will going to find the cumulative frequency greater than. So we will going to write 3 here. So, and now we will going to find the cumulative frequency greater than. So, to find the cumulative frequency greater than, we will going to write first 3 here. So, to find the cumulative frequency greater than, we will going to add the number 5, which is the frequency, to get the answer of the second row. So, we're going to 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. 12 plus 5 is equals to 17. 17 plus 6 is equals to 23. 23 plus 9 is equals to 32. 32 plus 6 is equals to 38. 38 plus 4 is equals to 42. 42 plus 3 is equals to 45. And 45 plus 3 is equals to 48. And 48 plus 2 is equals to 50. So, this is the cumulative frequency greater than. And that is how to find the cumulative frequency greater than. You will going to add first the number 3 to number 5 to get the answer of the second row. So, we have 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. 12 plus 5 is equals to 17. 17 plus 6 is equals to 23. 23 plus 9 is equals to 32. 32 plus 6 is equals to 38. 38 plus 4 is equals to 42. And 42 plus 3 is equals to 45. 45 plus 3 is equals to 48. And 48 plus 2 is equals to 50. And that is how to find cumulative frequency greater than. Okay. So, to get the answer of the first row of cumulative frequency, cumulative percentage frequency lesser than, we will going to write 50 here. So, 50 is our cumulative frequency lesser than. So, this is the 50. We will going to put it down. And next, the number of cases, we have 50. So we will going to divide it to the number of cases. So, 50 divided by 50 is equals to 1. So, 1 times 100 is equals to 100%. So, this is the answer of the cumulative percentage frequency lesser than percent. So, we will going to write 100 here. And now, we will going to find the second row of cumulative percentage frequency lesser than. So, next, I have another example to get the answer again. So to get the cumulative percentage frequency lesser than in the second row, this is on how to solve the cumulative percentage frequency lesser than. So, we will going to divide the cumulative frequency lesser than. We're going to divide the cumulative frequency lesser than to the number of cases, which is 50, and times 100. So, here we go again. So, 50 divided by 47 is equals to 94%. 94% times 100 is equals to 94. So, 50 divided by 42 times 50 divided by 42 is equals to 84. So, 84 times 100 is equals to 84. Next, 38 times 38 divided by 50 is equals to 76. 76% times 100 is equals to 76%. And 33 divided by 50 is equals to 66, and 66 divided by 100 is equals to 66%. And 27 divided by 50 times 100 is equals to 54. 18 divided by 50 times 100 is equals to 36. Okay. 12 divided by 50 is equals to 24. So 24 times 100 is equals to 24%. So 8 divided by 50 is equals to 16. And 16 times 100 is equals to 16%. And 5 divided by 50 is equals to 10. 10%, and 10% divided by 100 is equals to 10. And 2 divided by 50 times 100 is equals to 4%. So, this is how to find the cumulative percentage frequency lesser than. So, again, this is how to find cumulative percentage frequency lesser than. So, this is the formula. So, we have CPF lesser than equals CF lesser than over the number of cases times 100. So, we will going to write 50 here. So, where did I get the 50? So, the 50 is in here in cumulative frequency lesser than. So, we will going to write 50 here. So, this the 50 of cumulative frequency lesser than, I will going to write here. So, this is the 50. So, where did I find the 50 here? So, this is the number or the total number of cases. So, we have to write 50 here. So, to find the overall answer of the cumulative percentage frequency lesser than, we will go into 50 divided by 50 is equals to 1. So, 1%. Wait. 50 divided by 50 is equals to 1% times 100 is equals to 100%. So, we will going to write 100% here. Next, to find the answer of the second row, on how to compute the first row, that is how to find the all answer here. So, next we will going to find the cumulative percentage frequency greater than. And now we will going to find the cumulative percentage frequency greater than. So, this is the formula. So, the formula is we have cumulative percentage frequency greater than over the cumulative frequency greater than over the number of cases times 100. So, in cumulative frequency greater than, we have a number of 3. So, we will go into write 3 here. And we have a number of cases of 50. And now we're going to find the cumulative frequency greater than percent. So, in our formula, we have the CPF greater than equals CF greater than over the number of cases times 100. So, in the number of cases, in the cumulative frequency greater than, we have number 3. So, we will going to put number 3 here, or we were going to less down the number 3 here. And next, we have the total number of cases. We have a 50. So, we will going to write 50 here. So, to get the answer, we will going to divide the 3 to 50. So, we have 3 divided by 50 is equals to 0.06. And 0.06 times 100 is equals to 6. So, we will going to write 6 here. So, now, I have another example to catch up what I say, or to understand what I say, or to understand on how to compute the cumulative percentage frequency greater than and lesser than. So, same computation, but the difference is the symbol. So, now we will going to find the second row of cumulative percentage frequency greater than. So, this is the formula again. So, the formula, we have CPF greater than over CF greater than the number of cases times 100. So, in cumulative frequency greater than, we have number 8. So, we will going to write 8 here. And the number of cases, we have 50. So we will going to divide the cumulative frequency greater than to the number of cases. 8 divided by 50 is equals to 0.16. 0.16 times 100 is equals to 16. So, we will going to write 16 here. And now, and that is how to find the cumulative percentage frequency greater than. Same formula, same computation, but not the same answer, because 12 divided by 50 is equals to 0.24. 24 times 100 is equals to 24. And 0.34, and 34 times 100 is equals to 34. So, now we're going to proceed. So, 23 divided by 50 is equals to 34. Is equals to 0.46. 0.46 times 100 is equals to 46. 32 divided by 50 is equals to 0.64. And 0.64 times 100 is equals to 64. 38 divided by 50 is equals to 0.76. And 0.76 times 100 is equals to 76. 42 divided by 50 times 42 divided by 50 is equals to 0.84. 0.84 times 100 is equals to 84. 45 divided by the number of cases divided by the number of cases is equals to 0.90. And 0.90 times 100 is equals to 90. And 48 divided by the number of cases, 50, is equals to 0.96. And 0.96 times 100 is equals to 96. And 50 divided by 50 is equals to 1 times 100 is equals to 100. And that is how to find the cumulative percentage frequency greater than. So,